Bedtime Story.
The story about Mahatma Buddha.
Once upon a time in ancient India, there was a prince named Siddhartha. He lived in a luxurious palace and was surrounded by wealth and comfort. However, despite having all the material riches, he was troubled by the suffering and pain he saw outside the palace walls. One day, Siddhartha decided to explore the world beyond the palace. He went outside and saw an old man, a sick person, and a funeral procession. These encounters made him realize the inevitability of suffering and death. He was deeply moved by the suffering he witnessed. Determined to find the path to end human suffering, Siddhartha left his palace, his family, and his royal life behind. He became a wandering ascetic, seeking answers from spiritual teachers and practicing extreme forms of meditation. After years of seeking, Siddhartha found enlightenment under a Bodhi tree. He became known as Gautama Buddha, which means the awakened one. He spent the rest of his life teaching the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path, which offered a way to alleviate human suffering and find inner peace. Buddha's teachings inspired countless people and led to the development of Buddhism, a major world religion. His story is a testament to the power of self-discovery, compassion, and the quest for spiritual enlightenment.